St. Ann man accused of pulling gun on woman arrested. 2 men killed by police in Above Rocks, St. Catherine. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A St. Ann man who allegedly brandished an illegal gun on a woman during an argument has been arrested by the Ochias police. The 37-year-old is being held on suspicion of possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition. Reports state that about 7 a.m. on Saturday, the police received a report from a woman who handed over to them a Ruger pistol with 11 rounds of cartridges. She reportedly informed the police that her boyfriend had pointed the gun at her and threatened to kill her. An investigation was launched and the police arrested the suspect at his home. 2 men have been shot and killed by police in the St. Catherine North Division in separate incidents, which resulted in the seizure of 2 illegal guns and ammunition. In one incident, a man identified only as Nigel reportedly pointed a gun at police personnel who had gone to premises in Retirement District in Above Rocks, St. Catherine about 5:40 a.m. Sunday. The police reportedly took evasive action and fired at Nigel, who was shot and injured. He was later pronounced dead at hospital. The police stated that a Taurus 9mm pistol and 4 rounds of cartridges were seized in the incident. Later, at 7 a.m., another police party entered another section of the community where a man known as Biggs was killed in an alleged confrontation with the team. An Arcus 9mm pistol affixed with a magazine containing 10 rounds of ammunition was reportedly seized from him. The Independent Commission of Investigations has launched a probe into the shootings.